Good day to all. Today our topic is goal setting for life. Myself, Dr. B. Suresh Kumar, Department of Mechanical Engineering, K. Ramakrishnan College of Technology, Tiruchirappalli. We are knowing about technical. Some presentation I dictated to you as like technical concepts. Today we discuss about goal setting, which is important topic for every person life, which is also important. So I concentrate this topic for your life enrichment. Then, what is goal? First question. The result or achievement toward which effort is directed is known as goal. The football player always targeted his goal on goal post. Likewise, every person has its own goal with his life journey. So, goals and dreams of his life is playing vital role deciding his future. Okay, so that goals and dreams for the future are essential elements in every truly successful life. So, successful life may come with their goals and dreams. That's why the Abdul Kalam also told about what is dream. Every person should aware about dream. Dream your life. Likewise, he suggested our good man. Okay. So, goal energize our life. What is goal? Goal is started from goal setting. So, goal setting is the starting point, and then your dedication along with that goal gives more energy to your life. And then mapping out our objectives and our goals releases the creative juices which get we on the path of our purpose. Path of our purpose defines what we want from our universe or from our life. And then we will never be able to hit a target that you cannot see. What you are seeing with your mind, you can achieve that only. So you fix your goal, what you can see. And then goal setting will make our life magnificent. Our world will become richer, more delightful, and more magical. So that goal setting also one of the my life management concept. So we clearly fix your goal for your life enhancement. For the reason you take a bit of paper. On that paper you may write what about your life aims. At at this moment, natural forces will come into play which start to transform your dreams into reality. So, you may convert your dreams into reality with the natural forces. When we got the natural forces, with you write your aims on paper, from that your mind concentrates on your goals and aims. From this, you can achieve your target with the aid of natural forces. So, next step, divide your dreams. Divide your dream book. Every person has its own dream book with his mind, so that divide your dream book into separate sections for goals relating to the different areas of our life. For example, we might have sections for our life as like physical fitness goals, financial goals, personal empowerment goals, relationship and social goals. Perhaps most importantly, your spiritual goals also playing vital, so that you may divide your dream book into separate parts with respect to these are all the areas available in my life, so that I choose this as my goal. Likewise, you may select. And then how do I setting my goals? There is 5 steps are available in the book of the monk. In the book they suggested the 5 steps method to attain your aims and realize your goals. In that first step towards self mastery and mastery over every other circumstance in your life. When we push beyond our limits, just as we did in this little demonstration, so that everything have some little demonstration for getting self mastery. So from this we unlock mental and physical reserves that we never thought we had. Okay, so the demonstration of your goal is needed for realizing your goals and the objectives of life. And then the next step is to face them head. every step, every course, you may get the fear. So that how do you avoid the fears? How do you restrict fear? How do you attack your fear? These are all the things importantly needed for your life enrichment. So if we fear starting a new business, for example, if you start a new business means getting out of a dissatisfying relationship with the business, and then master every ounce of our inner resolve and do it. This might be the first taste of real freedom that we have experienced in coming years. Fear is nothing more than a mental monster. Fear is a mental monster. So that how we try to restrict our mental monster and attack the mental monster which was created by our mind. The negative stream of consciousness should be avoided. And then another particular important step is the technique is to fill your dream book with the pictures. You may fill your dream book in your mind. All of us having dream book. In that you can fill up that book with the images. Okay, the images of your desire, who have cultivated the abilities, talents, and the qualities that our hope to emulate. If we want, for example, if you consider, I want to reduce my weight means you fix the image in your dream book as a famous marathon runner. From this, you may fix your targets with his performance so that you can achieve your goal, which is also one of the step available with the goal setting. After that, the next important thing is the purpose of life is a life of purpose. What is the purpose? You decide what is your purpose, what is your life. In that, what is your purpose, the path of purpose. Likewise, you may decide. Those who are truly enlightened know what they want out of life, emotionally, materially, physically, and spiritually. So these are all the things available in your life goal setting. Some persons have its life is to become like this, and emotionally he may decide, and materially some persons are always thinking about technical, some person are always thinking about musical, some person always thinking about spiritual. So that materially some persons are having material thoughts also. So that the materialization of life also important for goal setting. What you decide, what about your aim, what about your thoughts, you should clear vision on that. Based on that you may fix your goal. Clearly defined priorities and goals. Prioritize your goals also important for every aspect of our life. Will serve a role similar to that played by a lighthouse. Your thoughts is the lighthouse, your feelings and thoughts are the lighthouse of your life, so that which offering us guidance when the seas become rough. Okay, from this you may aware your life as the sea and your thoughts as the lighthouse. You may fix the feelings on that thoughts lighthouse. You may get the guidance based on your thoughts and the feelings. You may become a very good life collector from your rough life. And then the final step for attaining goals, generally you are going with the advancing with your path. Okay, the final step for attaining goals and advancing along the path of purpose. Already you decide your life may come with the spiritual, emotionally, and technically. Likewise you may fix your goal so that you may identify your path of purpose. In that you advance that path of purpose. And then simply I say what are the steps available with the goal setting. The step 1 is to have a clear vision of your outcome. You fix your goal with the idea of your outcome from your life. Okay, step 2 is to create positive pressure to keep you inspired. Always develop a positive consciousness rather than negative consciousness at every step of your goal. The third step is to simple one. Never set a goal without attaching a timeline to it, so that every time you may fix the goals, milestones with your goals. Okay, activities versus milestone. Okay, when I complete the task, likewise you may fix the milestone with your objectives. You may utilize the timeline. Okay, so from this also you can achieve the goal. Finally, the breathe life into a goal, you must attach a precise deadline to it, so that timeline is very much important for setting your goal, so that you concentrate timeline and objectives of your life. In Tamil, the famous poetry Thiruvalluvar says, Enniya Enniyangu Eidhu Enniyar Thinniyar Agapperin, which demonstrates if the enumerator is steadfast, he will achieve what he envisions, so that your outcome is a best prediction of your goal. Okay, so always concentrate about your goal's outcome. Based on that, you may collect your feelings, you may collect your efforts for achieving that envisions or outcome. From this you can achieve your goal. Likewise, our famous poetry Thiruvalluvar says. So set clearly defined personal, professional and spiritual goals, and then have the courage to act on them. Courage is also important to achieve your goal. Thank you all.